let him go from working on the frame, y'all. What's up, Slider Nation? And we back with another video. What's up, gang? And we back with another video. So, y'all already know we picking up the cut dog. He did a good job. We got him paid. He came on a Saturday, so you know he all dressed up and spiffy and stuff. He finna go fishing and all that. But they did an awesome job, man.
All right, let's push it. Push.
You ready to go?
Well, we need somebody to stop it, so I'm going somewhere.
You got a block?
Oh, yeah, sure.
We got it out.
All right. Thank you, man. When are you going to bring the other cart?
I might leave it out here. Thank you. He tapped with it where he could. It came out decent. That's why I like it. I have to do some more work here and get this window out. Yeah. He did exactly what I wanted him to, and I'm gonna do the rest. That's it. Did he do the bottom? Oh yeah, he did. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. We're gonna mount those sharks to that thing right there. We're gonna be in there like some swimwear. We finna fuck the game up. Repaint everything, that's what I'm talking about. What you think, Danny? Should we do 30s on this car? No? Keep it like this? We'll go 30s and still tuck it, you know, have it tucked, no? Y'all know what time it is. She is back like it's crack in the 80s, boy. But this is 79. So it is the 80s, so you know. She back, boy. You better treat her good, Danny. This ain't no regular car, boy. Don't you treat her bad. God damn. This is why I'm hot.
Watch out,
You know what you're doing? Yes, sir. Roof all welded on and stuff. What I'm talking about. Flows all done and all that. We're gonna grind all of that stuff down and everything. We're gonna spray this inside and all of that. And yes, sir. See, that's the shit I'm talking about right there, bro. You know, even I'm gonna show y'all the good and the bad that goes with it. They could have moved this shit out the way, but instead y'all melted my whole plastic piece because y'all welded. Like, I don't understand that shit though, man. And I ain't pay no cheap money, dog. Like, you know, just a little bit of stuff that really matters, you know, moving stuff out the way, making sure it's all the way right. But, you know, we here now, we got it done, you know, so we're gonna grind these floors up and try to get them right. Clean the rest of this stuff up. Yeah, so we're going frame off, y'all. We're going frame off, y'all.
What up, Spence? What you doing?
Well, I just got my car back from the welding shop, and I'm finna get ready. Well, I got these tabs right here welded on. These are adjustable QA1 brackets for your coilovers and stuff like that. So when you do that, you get more adjustment out of your coilovers and stuff like that. So, you know, we going 30s. You know, we're not going 26s. We going 30s, so we want as much adjustment as we can. You know, so this is gonna take us to the next step.
Sounds good. So you're gonna move this all the way over here.
Yep.
Right?
And then as you can see right here.
All right.
So I'm gonna have to use some different bolts for right now because I don't know exactly where we're gonna leave it at, and I don't want to use these lock washers because, like they say, it's a lock washer. It's gonna lock it in place. That's the bolt I dropped. Just dropped the bolt.